We'll guide you through how to make mouse click transition in DaVinci. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch DaVinci Resolve and creating a new project so you can begin editing. Once the project is open, go to the edit page and import 2 video clips into the media pool. After the clips are available, drag both of them onto the timeline. Arrange the clips properly on the timeline so the transition will look smooth, clean, and organized when played back. Next, import the mouse click footage that will serve as the transition element. After importing it, trim the footage and select only the section that you want to use for the effect. When the desired portion is ready, drag the selected footage onto the timeline. Place it carefully between the 2 video clips, making sure it sits precisely where you want the transition to occur. With the clips positioned correctly, switch to the Fusion page to begin removing the background from the mouse click footage. In Fusion, add a 3D keyer node to the node structure. Use the color picker tool within the 3D keyer to select the background color that you want to remove from the footage. This step helps isolate the transition element so it can blend naturally with the videos beneath it. After selecting the background color, increase the decibel value to eliminate any remaining traces of that color around the edges of the transition. Adjust the setting until the result appears clean and free of unwanted color contamination. Once the keying process is complete, return to the edit page. Add a small transition between the clips if needed to make the overall effect appear smoother and more polished. Take a moment to preview the video from beginning to end. If everything looks good, proceed to the final step by exporting the completed video using your preferred export settings.